Hello friends, today I have brought one trick in front of you. How to solve multiplication of any number with 25 in very less time. As you all know, there are even numbers and odd numbers. Let's take case 1. If the last digit of that number is even, then to solve this question, there is a formula which I will tell you that number into 25 is equals to that even number is divided by 4 and last we have to put two zeros. As you have seen my first videos how to multiply any number with 5, in there we have put in even numbers only one zero, but here we have to put two zeros. Let's take some examples. 4 into 25. 4 is divided by 4, 1 and last two 0. Let's take another example. 5, no, 52 into 25 is equals to 52 is divided by 4, it's give 13 and last we have to put two zeros. Let's take one another example. 16 into 25. 16 is divided by 4. It's give 4 and two zeros. Let's take some bigger example. 488 into 25 is equals to 488 is divided by 4. It's give 1, 2, 2 and last two zeros as usual. Let now take case 2. If the last digit of that number is odd, then the formula to solve this odd number is number into 25 is equals to that number is first subtracted by 1 and divided by 4 and last we have to put 25. In 5 you have, remember we have only put 5 not 25, but in this we have to put 25. Let's take some examples. 5 into 25. First 5 is subtracted 1 and divided by 4. It's give subtracted 1, it's give 4 and 4 divided by 4 1 and last we have to put 25. Let's take some another example. 25 into 25. 25 is subtracted by 1 and divided by 4. It's give 24 by 4 is equals to 6 and last we have to put two zeros. In some examples like 15 into 25, you have doubts. First 15 minus 1 divided by 4, it's give 14 by 4. When this is divided by 4, we get 3.5. Then now how to add? Then we have to add 0.25 to it. It's give 375. But don't put point now. So your answer is 375. Let's take another example like this. 231 into 25. First 231 is subtracted 1 and divided by 4 is gives 230 by 4. When you divide 230 by 4, you get answer 57.5. Now again add 0.25 to it and then 5 5775. But now don't put this point here. If you put this point, then it is not your answer. So your answer is 5775. Thanks for watching this video, and please, if you have not subscribed my channel, then subscribe it.